Benefits of living in Australia on a partner visa. Our today's video is for those who want to travel to Australia on a partner visa. But before that, make sure to check our previous video on the average wait times for partner visas in Australia. We have attached the link in the description below. Want to chat with us about your immigration-related queries? Join our WhatsApp group of over 1,000 members to participate in helpful discussions by clicking the link in the description box. Let's get started with the Onshore Temporary Partner Visa Subclass 820. The spouse or partner of an eligible New Zealand citizen, Australian permanent resident, or citizen can come to live in Australia temporarily via Subclass 820 visa. Interestingly, one can also include their family members in the application for Subclass 820 visa. Do note that Subclass 820 visa holders are allowed to remain in Australia until the approval of their permanent partner visa application. They may also withdraw their application. Subclass 820 visa holders enjoy the following perks. They can live and seek employment in Australia, pursue education in Australia, travel to and from Australia anytime, take free English language classes offered by the Adult Migrant English program, provided they are eligible. And they can also submit an application to access Medicare. Now, let's talk about Onshore Permanent Partner Visa Subclass 801. In contrast, the spouse or partner of an eligible New Zealand citizen, Australian permanent resident, or citizen can live in Australia permanently visa Subclass 801 visa. Usually, it is issued to the holders of a temporary partner visa. Now, let's look at the permissions granted to a Subclass 801 visa holder. They can live in Australia as permanent residents, seek employment and pursue education in Australia, access Medicare, sponsor family members for Australian visas and immigration, visit Australia and travel to other countries from there. Also attend English language classes offered free of cost by the Adult Migrant English program, and submit an application for Australian citizenship, if applicable. Moving forward, let's look into the Offshore Partner Visa Subclass 309. For starters, this is another visa subclass through which the spouse or partner of an eligible New Zealand citizen, Australian permanent resident, or citizen can stay in Australia temporarily. Now, let's look at the permissions granted to a Subclass 309 visa holder. This visa puts you on the track to a permanent partner visa Subclass 100. Are allowed to live, study, and work in Australia as their permanent partner visa awaits processing. They may travel to and from Australia as preferred. Plus, visa holders can attend free English language classes offered by the Adult Migrant English program, if they are eligible. They may apply to gain access to Medicare. Finally, let's look at Offshore Partner Visa Subclass 100. Subclass 100 visa holders can live in Australia permanently. Needless to say, it is a feasible option for the spouse or partner of an eligible New Zealand citizen, Australian permanent resident, or citizen interested in visiting Australia. Keep in mind that this visa is mostly issued to temporary partner Subclass 309 visa holders. The perks enjoyed by Subclass 100 visa holders are the same as Subclass 309 visa, with the exception of the following. Subclass 100 visa holders can live, work, and pursue education in Australia indefinitely. Sponsor eligible family members for Australian visas and immigration. And submit an application for Australian citizenship. We have reached the end of today's video update. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.